Good morning, student. Class 6, Chapter 6, Changing Around Us. Learning objective. Changes take place all around us. Changes take place in color, size, shape, position, physical state, and hardness. Causes of changes. Classification of changes. Many changes take place one from time to time around us. For example, when you keep a bowl of water under sunlight, it evaporates and bowl remain empty. Similarity: earlier people uses hand fan to keep them cool, but now people use electric fan, cooler and air conditioner to keep them cool. A small baby grow to be an adult. Number first, change in color. We can judge whether a fruit is ripe, पके हुए, or not by observing its color. A raw mango is green in color but changes to yellow in ripening. जब आम कच्चे होते हैं तो वह हरे रंग के होते हैं, और जब वो आम पक जाते हैं तो वो येलो कलर के होते हैं. व्हाट हैपन्स टू द कलर ऑफ हेयर व्हेन पीपल ग्रो ओल्ड. नंबर 2, चेंज इन साइज. कैन यू स्टिल वियर क्लोथ्स यू वॉर 3 or 4 year बैक्स? वाई, क्यों? वाई हैज़ हैपन टू योर साइज? क्या आपका साइज चेंज हो गया? डू यू हैव टू ट्रिम योर नेल्स आफ्टर फ्यू डेज? All living things grow up to a particular size. Number 3, change in shape. You might have observed that a bird open into a flower. Does its shape changes? If you look at the moon every evening for a few days, you can see the changes in its shape. Does it appear large on a full moon day? Number 4, change in position. When you play football, what happens to the position of the ball? It changes continuously, so the hand of a clock remain in the same position. Number 5, change in physical state. Keep a container filled with water. आप एक कंटेनर में पानी भर लीजिए in the freezer for something. Take it out after 2 hours. Is there a change in its physical state? It freezes to form ice. वह बर्फ बन चुका होगा. Number 5, change in hardness. Fresh bread is soft but becomes hard when you toast it. Batter of the cake is soft but its hardness changes when it is baked into a cake. Number 6, causes of changes. By mixing. Mixing 2 or more things together can lead to changes. For example, when we mix solution by mixing sugar in water, we bring about a change. The solution tastes sweet. वह मीठा हो गया. दिस चेंज टेक प्लेस ड्यू टू द इंटरेक्शन ऑफ शुगर मॉलिक्यूल्स विद वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स. Number 7, by applying pressure. When we apply pressure on a substance, the constituent molecules undergo a change into a terms of their position and number. For example, when a spring is pulled, its shape and size changes. The shape of a toothpaste tube changes on squeezing. Number 8, by heating. Heat is a form of energy. Whenever any object or a substance is heated, it gets affected in one or other way, bring changes. For example, when water is heated, it changes into water vapor. State of a substance is changing on heating. Molecules of water gain. The heat energy supplied is spread all over thus. Water assumes the state of gas, water vapor. You have seen a small gap left between a railway track. Why? क्यों? This is done because it allows room for expansion in summer. If there is no gap, there is summer day, they would bend due to expansion and cause accidents. Number 9, classification of changes. Slow and fast changes, natural man-made changes, reversible and irreversible changes, periodic and non-periodic changes, desirable and undesirable changes, physical and chemical changes. Slow and fast changes, changes that take place instantly or over a short period of time are called fast changes. The bursting of firecrackers, heating water, etc. Changes that take over a long time are called slow changes. The growth of a plant from seed, changing into the curd, changing water into ice, rusting of iron, etc. Some example of slow changes. Natural and man-made changes. These changes which are brought by nature or take place on their own are called natural changes. Changes of season, rate, rainfall, earthquake, turning of night into a day, natural changes. Next is reversible and irreversible changes. If a change can be easily reversed is called a reversible change. In the changes, the product can be converted back to the original form. Example, ice melt on heating and change into ice again on cooling. Periodic and non-periodic changes. Those changes which repeat themselves after regular interval of time are called periodic changes. Formation of day and night, motion of swing, movement of pendulum are example of periodic motion. Desirable and undesirable changes. Changes which are for our benefits are called desirable changes. For example, ripening of fruits, cooking of food, changing of season. Physical and chemical changes. Changes in which no new substances are formed are called physical changes. Example, breaking of glass, freezing of water, tearing of paper. Changes in which new substances which with different properties are formed are called chemical changes. Cooking of food, burning of substances, etc. are chemical changes. Are entirely new substances are formed. Burning of a candle was relaxed, carbon dioxide and water vapor, new substance. Thank you and have a nice day.